All of this in the purple, from Fort Wayne all the way south, that's your ice storm warning. Again, I just am not used to these because we don't see them much, but that shows you the extent that the Weather Service believes our state will be affected by this ice. Usually when you have an ice storm warning, there are two criteria mainly for that, two main criteria. One is that you can get up to 1/4 of an inch of ice. That's that much, and that causes big problems. The other thing is you can see an inch or so of snow associated with it, and this is panning out to be just like that. We have everything going on. Columbus, Seymour, you're getting all rain right now, but you get north where it's a little bit cooler, and Matt was talking about the farther north you go, the worse the roads are. This area of pink, that is just a very light freezing mist. This purple is freezing drizzle, Zionsville, Brownsburg, Avon, and then this turns into snow. So north of where our camera was, where Carlos was, right there, they're getting this very light freezing drizzle. But this is all snow here, Frankfort to Crawfordsville. I think some of you pick up an inch. The I-69 corridor, very wet. And we're going to show you this again in just a few minutes. But the Ball State University campus has a lot of ice on it, and our camera there is frozen up with icicles hanging down from it. Winter weather advisory until 7 o'clock tonight. So that means that we could have, some dicey conditions for driving for the next several days. Now, our high today is only going to be 36 degrees, and that will be later on this afternoon. I still think even at 10 o'clock we could have some messy weather around here because it will be at or below freezing. Once we get above there, it does get a little bit. We have time for this stuff to thaw out. But remember, 1/4 of an inch of ice doesn't thaw out real quickly. So we could have icy shoulders even when it's 36 or 37 degrees on the roads. Here we are at 8 o'clock today. A lot of this starts to clear out and move actually to the north. But remember I said 10 o'clock we could still be around the freezing mark, so we'll probably see a little freezing drizzle or snow maybe until that time. As we get past the noon hour, we're moving this stuff out, and I think the afternoon looks far better, even though east central Indiana could see a burst of snow. So here's your forecast, and we are a long way from 36 in one sense, in that most of you are in the 20s and low 30s. But 40 tomorrow, 40 Saturday. There is good news next week. We should get up to 47 by Wednesday and perhaps close to 50 on Thanksgiving Day, Ben and Julia.